biggie biggie, heavy heavy, baby do you wanna? Hey. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dipbrow back again with another video for you guys. So today's makeup look is another 007 makeup look. I realized that I've used all the palettes that I got for the 007 One Brand full face product video. I've used all the palette, but I never got to use this one, so I decided to come today to use it for you guys so you guys can see how this palette works. So this palette is meant to be a dupe for the Urban Decay Heat palette, as you can see. Oh, my nails actually matches the palette as well. That looks amazing. Like, I can actually model the palette right now. Anyways, yeah, so this is meant to be a dupe for the Urban Decay Heat palette. And I noticed a lot of people, when that Urban Decay Heat palette came, a lot of people was doing look on it. When I was watching some videos online, I saw it, I was like, you know what, why not go on to do a video with this palette, since I never got around using it. And this is the first time me trying it. Like, this is the first impression as well. Like, I haven't used it. I only swatched it when I did the 007 dupe for high-end product. I only swatched it, and after that it has been in my makeup drawer. I haven't, you know, reached into it. So today is the first time me trying it, and this is what we ended up with. This look might look similar to something I already have on my channel. Don't judge. I love looks like this. This is like my go-to, you know, glam look. Like, I love this kind of colors. And yeah, this is what we ended up with today. If you guys are wondering how it looks on the inside, this is how it looks on the inside. Very nice neutral colors. Really love this palette for that. And apart from this, I also decided to try a new product today as well. I tried the Elizabeth Arden Intervene foundation. I saw this at TK Maxx and I was in love with it. The reason why I was really happy to get this foundation was the fact that it has sunscreen SPF 15. We all know that it's really hard to incorporate, you know, sunscreen kind of SPF into black people foundation, like, you know, women of color. Let me not say black people. Women of color foundation is really hard for them to, you know, put sunscreen into it. And the fact I saw this, I was like, yeah, this would be really nice for summer. That was the main reason why I got it. And to my greatest surprise, guys, I love the coverage of this. I thought it was going to be really sheer, but it actually gives you a very nice full coverage. Like, look at this. This foundation is amazing. Love it. Yeah, so we're trying this two product today. That's what this video is all about. And before we get into this video, guys, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you like it, and make sure you also subscribe if you know you're subscribed to my channel. It's easy to subscribe and it's free. When you do subscribe, make sure you also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload any new video on my YouTube channel. So with that all said and done, guys, we're going to jump into this makeup look, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys. So the first thing I'm going to start by doing today is moisturizing my lip, and I'm using my Nivea lip balm. Now I'm going to be priming my eyes with my Elegant Pro concealer in creamy beige. So to see how I ended up with these eyebrows today, guys, make sure you check the description bar below for the link to my eyebrow tutorial. Now I'm going to be going into my 007 Blazin palette. I'm going to be picking up the chocolate color, and I'm going to be placing it in the inner and outer part of my eyelid. So I'm packing this onto my eyelid just to make sure the color is really intense. After that, I'm going to grab a fluffy clean brush, and I'm going to use that to diffuse everything out. One thing that I've noticed with this palette is the fact that it's really pigmented, and it's really soft and easy to pick up on your brush, and it's also easy to blend as well. Now going back to the palette again, we're going to be picking up these two light colors to help us further blend it out. Going back to the palette again, this time around we're picking up the dark brown next to the chocolate color. We're going to be using this to intensify the inner and outer corner of our eyelid, but we're not going to be blending this out. Now we're going to be picking up these two shimmer colors right here. We're going to be placing this in the middle of our eyelid to create a nice halo effect. For my false eyelashes today, I'm going to be using my Pinky Good false eyelashes. Before I apply this on, I'm going to apply my mascara, and today I'm going to be using my W7 Absolute Mascara. I'm going to be applying this to my top lashes. Now that is all done, I'm going to start by priming my face with my Nivea Men Post Shave Balm Insensitive. I'm going to be rubbing this into my skin until it becomes tacky. After that, I'm going to be spraying my face with my Primark Primer Water. For foundation today, I'm going to be trying the Arden Intervene Foundation. I'm using the shade Soft Toffee 15. I'm going to be using a brush to apply this onto my face. Later on, I'm going to be using a beauty sponge just to absorb any excess product on my face and to cancel any brush line on my face as well. So to conceal my under eye today, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand. I'm going to be using this to conceal my under eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my jaw, and my cupid's bow as well. And then later on, I'm going to contour my face with my Stila Corrector Stick in Tan as well. So using my Stila Corrector Stick, I'm going to be using it to contour my jawline, my cheeks, my forehead, my nose. Now I'm going to start by blending my under eye concealer, and then later on we're going to move to blending our cream contour as well. Guys, I know I sound off today. It's because I'm coming down with the cold, so bear with me. I'm not going to sound the way I normally sound. I might be down, I might be up. It's because the cold is in my throat and I can feel it. So I feel like my voice is about to go. So just bear with me for today. Probably in a week's time I'll feel a lot better. And guys, as usual, if you have any request or any look you would like to see on my channel, make sure you comment in the comment box below. Let me know what look you want to see next, and I'll try my best to get that video done for you guys as well. And also comment if you have any question to ask about any of the products I used in this video. Maybe I forgot to explain further about the product. Feel free to ask any question you have to ask. I always read my comments anyways, and I always reply to them. Also feel free just to pop in to say hi once in a while, and I will reply to your message as well. So to set my under eyes concealer today, we're not going to be using our loose powder the way we always do. Today I'm going to be trying a new product. I'm going to be setting my under eyes with my Too Faced Chocolate Powder Foundation. This is in the shade medium. I know guys, it does look really light on me, but don't worry, we're going to bring color back onto our face when we set it with our finished powder. So to bring color back onto my face, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Finish Powder. It's called Matte Plus Poreless Powder, and I'm using the shade 350 Caramel. So to bronze up our face today, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour Palette. I'm going to be picking up the warm color just right at the second row. I'm going to be using this to warm up my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and my jawline. Now that is all done, we're going to move on to our under eyes. I'm going to start by lining my under eyes with my W7 Eye Captain Very Dark Liquid Eyeliner. As you can see, I just used a bit in my inner tear duct area, and I'm blending it out with a brush. Now I'm going back to the W7 Blazin palette. I'm picking up that dark brown color we used to intensify our eyelid. I'm going to use that to blend my under eyes, and then I'm going to go back into the palette again to pick up the chocolate color we started with to further blend my under eyes as well. For my inner tear duct area, I'm going back to those two shimmer I placed in the middle of my lid. I'm placing this in the inner tear duct area of my eyelid as well. Now we're going to be moving on to my Absolute Mascara. I'm going to be applying this to my bottom lashes, and I'm going to make sure my lashes looks really dramatic. After that, I'm going to be spraying my face with my NYX finish spray. I'm using the dewy finish, and then I'm going to go in with the W7 finish spray as well. For my highlight today, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighter 6 color palette. I'm going to be using the shade Dream and Radiance together today. Guys, this highlighter does the most. Like, it's so pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. Sometimes I'm scared that I'm going to use too much, so I just touch a bit. This palette is just mind-blowing, guys. You need to lay your hand on one of this. Really, really affordable as well. Now we're going to move on to our lips. I'm going to be using the W7 Mega Matte Lip Collection. I'm going to start with the red in the kit, and then later on I'm going to go in with the nude color just to give me a nice ombre lip. Now I'm going to be lining my lips with my Primark Velvet Matte Lipstick Crayon in Cocoa. And that, guys, concludes this video right here. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. And if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one then. Bye, guys.